Well, the temporary cushions for the sun recliner on the patio. These cushions are really not completely weatherproof. So for the summer months or when they're not being used, they're being hung here in the supply room behind the laundry on some brackets up on the wall. They're suspended, they hang down. And I don't know if you know, but we have a conference table, like a picnic table, and we have folding chairs that are mounted on these brackets here in the supply room as well. So if anyone wants to use the recliner or wants to put a table on the patio, these chairs are here. They're available. The only thing we've asked is that people replace them, put them back when they're done. Again, we may get weatherproof cushions for the sun recliner next year, but for the time being, these are fine. If anyone wants to use it, they should just simply come in here, remove it from the wall, use it, and then put it back. Okay? I'll send pictures in case anybody asks, because there's always complaints about this or complaints about that, but the cushions are here and they're available if anyone wants to use them. And the chairs are here too, as well as a table if somebody wants something on the patio.